Hello kids! Today, let's go on a fun journey to learn about the national symbols of India. 1. The national flag, Tiranga. Look at this beautiful flag. It has 3 colours, saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. And in the centre there's a blue wheel called the Ashoka chakra. The Tiranga stands for bravery, peace and growth. 2. The national fruit, mango, yum. Who loves mangoes? Mango is our national fruit because it's super sweet and juicy. It's called the king of fruits and is enjoyed by everyone. 3. The national flower, lotus. This pretty pink flower grows in water. The lotus is our national flower because it stands for purity and strength. Even in muddy water, it blooms beautifully. 4. The national bird, peacock. Wow! Look at this bird dance. The peacock is our national bird. It has shiny blue feathers and spreads its tail like a big, colourful fan. So pretty, right? 5. The national tree, banyan tree. This is the banyan tree. It is big and strong and gives shade to many people and animals. That's why it's our national tree. It stands for wisdom and long life. 6. The national animal, tiger. Roar! Meet the Royal Bengal Tiger, our national animal. It is brave, strong and fast. That's why it represents power and courage. 7. The national emblem, Ashoka Stambha. This is the Ashoka Stambha, our national emblem. It has 4 lions standing back to back. It reminds us to always be strong, honest and kind. That's all for today, kids. Now you know all the national symbols of India. Next time you see these symbols, you'll know what they mean. Jai Hind! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our next fun video. Thank you!